Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of a wooden coffee table from reclaimed wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting a wooden coffee table from reclaimed wood is an immensely satisfying endeavor that combines artistry, sustainability, and functionality, resulting in a unique piece that can become the centerpiece of any living space. The process begins with sourcing reclaimed wood, which carries its own history and character, often featuring unique imperfections, textures, and patinas that tell a story. This aspect of working with reclaimed materials is one of the most pleasing elements of the project. Each piece of wood has been shaped by time and environment, and transforming it into a functional item allows artisans to honor its past while giving it new life. The tactile nature of reclaimed wood, with its varied grains and colors, invites artisans to engage with the material intimately, fostering a deep connection to the crafting process. As artisans sift through piles of reclaimed lumber, they often find themselves inspired by the wood's original purpose, whether it was part of an old barn, a dismantled fence, or vintage furniture. This connection to the material fuels creativity, encouraging artisans to envision how the wood can be repurposed into a stunning coffee table that reflects both their aesthetic and the history of the wood itself. Once the reclaimed wood has been selected, the crafting process begins, and the satisfaction of shaping and assembling the pieces is profound. Each stage, from cutting and sanding to joining and finishing, presents an opportunity for artisans to hone their skills and express their creativity. The act of transforming raw wood into a beautifully crafted coffee table is both therapeutic and rewarding, as artisans witness their vision materialize before their eyes. The use of reclaimed wood also allows for a more environmentally conscious approach to crafting. By repurposing materials that might otherwise end up in landfills, artisans contribute to sustainability and reduce their environmental footprint. This commitment to eco-friendly practices resonates with consumers who appreciate handmade items that embody both beauty and responsibility, making the final product not only a piece of furniture, but also a statement of values. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another pleasing aspect of crafting a wooden coffee table from reclaimed wood is the opportunity to incorporate unique design elements that reflect personal style. Whether opting for a rustic farmhouse aesthetic, a sleek modern look, or a blend of styles, artisans can experiment with various forms and finishes to create a one-of-a-kind piece. The natural imperfections and character marks of reclaimed would lend themselves to a variety of designs, allowing artisans to highlight the wood's history while adding their unique touch. For instance, incorporating live edges, where the natural contour of the wood is preserved, can create a striking visual contrast against more polished surfaces. This embrace of natural beauty encourages artisans to think outside the box, creating tables that are not only functional, but also works of art that spark conversation and admiration. Furthermore, the crafting process of a coffee table provides an opportunity for artisans to engage with their community and share their passion for woodworking. Many artisans find joy in teaching others the skills they have acquired, whether through workshops or online tutorials. Sharing the journey of crafting a reclaimed wood coffee table can inspire others to explore their creativity and embark on their woodworking adventures. This sense of community fosters collaboration and idea exchange, enriching the overall experience for everyone involved. By showcasing the process on platforms like YouTube or Instagram, artisans can connect with a wider audience, inspiring others to appreciate the beauty of handmade furniture and the stories behind each piece. The final product, a handcrafted coffee table made from reclaimed wood, serves as more than just a functional item. It becomes a focal point in the home, a gathering place for family and friends, and a testament to the artisan's skill and dedication. The satisfaction of knowing that the table was created from materials that carry a history, combined with the personal touch of the artisan's craftsmanship, adds a layer of meaning to the piece. Each scratch, knot, and imperfection tells a story, inviting those who interact with the table to appreciate its unique character and the effort that went into its creation. This emotional connection between the maker, the materials, and the end user enhances the beauty of the finished product, making it a cherished part of the home. Additionally, crafting a wooden coffee table from reclaimed wood allows artisans to explore various finishing techniques that further enhance the beauty of the piece. Whether applying natural oils, stains, or sealants, the finishing process highlights the grain and texture of the wood, ensuring that the table is not only visually appealing, but also durable and functional. This attention to detail elevates the final product, showcasing the artisan's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. The satisfaction of completing the piece and seeing it transformed from raw materials into a polished, functional item is incredibly rewarding, reinforcing the joy that comes from woodworking. Moreover, the financial aspect of creating a reclaimed wood coffee table can be significant. As consumers increasingly seek unique, handcrafted items that stand out from mass-produced alternatives, artisans can find a lucrative market for their creations. The ability to market the table as both a functional piece of furniture and an eco-friendly choice appeals to a growing audience that values sustainability and individuality. This dual appeal not only enhances the marketability of the table, but also reinforces the idea that handmade products can be both beautiful and profitable. In crafting a wooden coffee table from reclaimed wood is a deeply gratifying journey that intertwines creativity, sustainability, and craftsmanship. The process of transforming reclaimed materials into a functional piece of art allows artisans to honor the history of the wood while creating something beautiful for modern homes. The satisfaction derived from each stage of the crafting process, combined with the emotional connection formed through the story of the materials, adds depth to the final product. This journey not only enhances the artisan's skills and creativity, but also contributes positively to the environment and the community. Ultimately, the coffee table becomes more than just an item of furniture. It embodies the passion and dedication of the artisan, making it a treasured piece that enriches the lives of those who use it. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden coffee table ideas from reclaimed wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.